Indian government has approved the signing of contract with Larsen and Toubro Limited, an engineering and construction conglomerate, for acquiring 3 Cadet training ships at an estimated cost of Rs 3,108 crores under the Buy Indian, indigenously designed, developed and manufactured category. The delivery of the ships is scheduled to begin from 2026. These ships are likely to provide an ideal training facility for men and women officer cadets at sea after the completion of their basic training to meet the future requirements of the Indian Navy. According to an official statement, the ships would also provide training to cadets from friendly countries with an aim to strengthen diplomatic relations. The ships can also be deployed for evacuation of people and humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. The ships will be designed, developed and constructed at L&T shipyards in Chennai and are expected to generate an employment of about 22.5 lakh man-days over a period of 4.5 years, encouraging participation of Indian shipbuilding and associated industries including MSMEs. With majority of equipment and systems sourced from Indian manufacturers, the vessels will be the flag bearers of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India initiatives of the Narendra Modi government.